Welcome children. Today we will execute a problem of an array. Okay. Program is we have to count the number of evens and number of odds present in an array. Okay. So let's see here. We are using the util package, then class, main method, object of the scanner class, then declared of array, declaration of array. Int type, variable name is AA, then subscript is equals to new int, size of the array is 10. Okay. Then I am taking here int type even and odd variable. Now we need to input the number from the user. So here we start the loop from 0 and less than 10 because index position always start with 0. So 0 less than 10 and I plus plus. Here I am given a message, enter the elements. Then AA of I is equals to sc.nextInt. This function, according to this function, we can read the value from the user which have been given by the user. Okay, here we close the loop. After this we need the logic. What is the logic? So here we start one more loop. This loop, first loop, is responsible to enter the number only. Enter the number, this loop is responsible. Okay. After this I'm writing one more I'm going to write one more loop, for loop, for calculation of even and odd number. So here int I is equals to 0, I is less than 10 and I plus plus. Okay, it's the loop. After this loop, what we have to find? We have to find the even number and odd number. So the condition of even number is if here we are using array. So here we write if variable name, then subscript, within subscript I value. I value means 0 index element. Okay, 0 index element is modular divide by which element? Divide by 2. If this condition is true, and remainder value is equals to 0. If this condition is true, your number is even. So if this condition is true, which variable we have to increment here? Even number. Okay, even variable, even plus plus. Clear? If this condition is true, you can separate by curly braces, even plus plus. Okay, else which variable? Odd plus plus, odd plus plus. Okay, so here we close the loop. In this loop we only find the even number, total number of even and total number of odd. After this we need to print the element of array as well as even and odd number. Okay, number of even and odd we also print here. So here we need to print all elements of array. We need one more element, one more for loop. Here for int I is equals to 0, I less than 10 and I plus plus. Okay. After this, block of the array, then we want to print the elements of array. So here system dot out dot print ln. If you want to print a single line, so here you will use only print, SOP, ln not using, because ln is responsible for new line. Here we want to print the array elements. So array variable is AA, then subscript, within subscript you write here I. So first of all it will print 0 index number, then 1 index number. After this I'm going to take some space, so plus sign and space, 2 spaces here, then semicolon. After this, copy this system dot out print, and we have to print here the value of even and odd. So here I can use the ln, okay. In this even number, write the even numbers, then is equals to sign, okay, then plus print the which variable, even variable, even. After this same do in print the odd number, okay. Odd number is equals to plus print odd variable here, okay. Here you will print, you close the loop here because we want to print array element, then even and odd number is only one term, okay. Then after close the method and close the class. After this click on when we compile it, here is an error. Which type is error? We not assign the value of even and odd. So here give the initial value of even, that is 0, and odd, that is 0, okay. After this compile your program. When you click on compile button, your program is executed, okay. Here no syntax error. Click on close button, right click on array, click on void main, then click on OK. Here enter the elements, okay. So enter the elements, you have to use enter key. Firstly I'm entering 23, then 44, 3, 12. We have to enter 10 elements like this. Firstly you enter the number, then press enter key. Clear? See, here is the, see the result. Its output window is, wait a minute, output window is here. See, it's a result, okay. We give the elements. So number, even number is 3 and odd numbers are 7, okay. So this is the program of counting even and odd number. Clear?